Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly heal your character in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, like so, which will bring up your map, and then search for any statues of the 7. These are highlighted by this icon right here. As you can see, there are many in this map. So for example, I'm going to pick this one right here. So this is Statues of the 7 Electro. Teleport to this waypoint by clicking on this teleport button, like so. And now go near this shrine right here, which is the Statues of the 7. Go near it, and then your character should be restored to full HP. Here, as you can see in my screen, my character is full HP now. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!